Fire burn them all. Running to government for support. Say I buy my mommy's come from running league. Now my son first one say. My son first one say. My best so. Na normal sefata. At the power some catch there for no. Mo person na mo catch the woman. League na for the person mo bono. Almost sponsors way. Where is their money? And then I may busa commentary position me pese one kasa oba. Na one kasa was so bad day. Ebe kan wagini. Professional. Ewo. League na omo pese omo ball. Ghana league na for no. So called football people pese omo ebo no. And also omo shasi no. Where is their money? Sponsors way. Sika bay. And omo di babo league no. And then I commentary position me pese okasa wochira wagene wo feelings ni enya susu super na yedwane akọ government o say the only hope and say about be mo musika so no mo length anyway o mo nim de no mo so mo one way. That is commentary position me ba commentary position no fire for fire utie show no wa asempa 94.7 FM Trotro drivers nyina more fire. I said FM water crowd more fire. And no water can quench off the fire. Go Facebook live. Natural wagini. Chira wagini. Okwa chira wagini. Ni enya susu asupa. Ewa good musem. Ni eda hono. Fireman sisi. Usu sisi. Nyesu wa shedana osisi. Nyese fireman a shedana osisi. But no kuna no adwenti toa adwentire professional. Ewa asem no ho. Asem no near that commentary position say ketokura kun na plan for football people na make so called GF for no league no person e bono league no omusika way omu sponsors way ya de kobo league. That is commentary position. Can correct wo mo nya the right thing. Na Ghana football no ye pese peja no ye betime peja. Fire burn them all. More fire. My bet, home of betting. My bet amount for disc. My bet who dinner. No, I saw my bonus class account. Home of betting. My bet.africa. My bet.africa. Home of betting. My bet.africa. More fire. Now, Honami Oya was sissy Oya, Koto Joya, a Unirob Polar Ice Gel for pain relief. Unirob Polar Ice Gel, Upora Pharmacy Shop, Supermarket Beer, Wakobabol, Wepra, Utimsa Sabrui, how, Usisi Oya, Wachinka Semuya for pain relief, a Unirob Polar Ice Gel for pain relief, Polar Ice Gel, Unirob, more fire. Self-line band. Na si ye koto self-line band. Ni a bando straight up. Ni afi na upie set to credit mami. Me kwa koto credit. Na afi na obetwitwi. No. Ofa ofo. O mobile money phone and one no. A self-line bando. Straight up. Oti ase the what me bando lenya ska. Eti se say no self-line bando na e wo so. Enya fe na me kono makwakope ayi credit ato upese uto ayi credit of your choice and our bundle of your choice and one is star 718 star 77 hash e wo phone so na say straight up one purchase credit ope and our bundle of your choice with self-line bundle and then about so to say fire for fire more fire. In 3 Herbal Clinic. In 3 Herbal Clinic. In 3 Herbal Clinic, in Sawam, Adesu Road. Udu Adesu Road in Sawama. Now be in 3 Herbal Clinic. For numbers we 0243 522 795 and now 0241 904627. In 3 Herbal Clinic, you are able to say stroke, hypertension, diabetes, sexual weakness. In 3 Herbal Clinic, Adelsu Road, in some Obertene Telba Sawyari, fibroid, say obey year through your mama. Obe Sawyari in 3 Herbal Clinic. More fire. Bad way for the life of the game. Bad way, Bebia, betting, go for this guy. You bet from 18 years going. You bet responsible. Betway for the life of the game. Betway.com.gh. More fire. Na se o pay manu mu be den. Se bi o pennies o kote na me patche e mu be den. O betimi adwun so kama. Eyi fi ni yare bia finu mu a nom freshman capsules. Freshman capsules. Ebema obema mo e den da bia o be den ankasa freshman capsules no. Se bani se o za junso de ye so ba junso yi e die fi yare bia e wo mu bia no junso a fantastic. But say draw freshman capsules no eno no e wo huru ni padua no e yi fi na pie ena esa ma wo be ma no sabi wo koti ni mu asa ya den eti freshman capsules there be ma tobi nenom o pedodo atu 0243 55 93 19 0243 55 93 19 freshman capsules pharmacy shop bia benya biato ba wo fresh number wo ya next straight up when you do do ankasa etu akoto freshman capsules is here na basu me dofo classic boutique shopping at so on Christmas near simu any date say more fire and I say 2nd December right 2019 more fire Santa Claus more fire it's Christmas now no a shoe a moka a hell a skinny which has a jeans a trainers what in America trying to say what is a body tube what has a sexy panties sexy braziers 19 is so a yes sexy out to Mr. Wisha now we can boyfriend the need come shopping ankasa ya kofa fia bruchiri na ba ntare ni nyina and no many nyina fia bruchiri it is a boutique we there too much and it is a phenomenon dofo classic the word classic boutique ubogram will say yes the things there are classic utasi me dofo classic boutique Fred Christiana Mwakobo do baby girl me dofo no friend 0240 275835 0240 275835 obey deliver and as obey deliveries normal entire bia open pabo bia open bags bia open bia to e wo me dofo classic boutique e wo satellite kuntunsi oho and abehu me dofo classic boutique Christmas we wanna shop in Ekoso. More fire. Best. Quality things. No me wo fair. Ya tete so. Obiya to be Toby. Obiya to be Bob Toby. The satellite what here. DVL in China just 100 meters. DVL a satellite. Couldn't say on there. Obiya jia to be send me Dofo Classic Boutique. Hona boys, ni girls. He said you be a problem. Full slow up and down where ye. No man so see a tete so come. Discount come. Me Dofo Classic Boutique. More fire. We just show our bed over. No time for any imbecility. There's no time. More fire. Tiyan commentary position. Me call na me Ghana for be ready. Will be out 30 seconds to fire. me nya nsusu asopa bra na be kire wadwene bra be kire wadwene e wa asem no nya me na wo be kire wadwene fa me ho asem na da wo no ene say enfefo no si ye bobo Ghana league esoso mu ni sponsors wo mu ni ska eti ye bo league ni say ye bo league no fo tantan to bidi biara league ana ene na bra na be kasa be kire wadwene ni enya nsusu asopa wo ho ni entimi ensa enye football no tantan bi football na kasa say ene yesi ye ni ye eti before ubetimi obo league usika way before you talk and now you think of playing league ewo Ghana has say no how much do you have Ketu Kreku ni go for Ketu Okreku FA president ni go for league na mo kwa boni sika be na mo how much do you have what is new about this league mon country because a footballer say a man for to a bribe a local league a man referees so called football people for you to a bribe no one way match fixing and a number 12 betting women you banding referees banding former FA president in Nessa and the say your football no corruption room. So called football for yana a say football do. And as I say, ya sa to abani a munye football ni. Mama promises a kesiye se mubetima your football no. It is a mubetima your football na. Something new na mo de balo. And in a me bisa say, what is new about league na ye babebono? What is coming new? Liga sikanim. Liga muni sponsors. Liga aban na makono ho. Say aban and the mum is come from Moli. What sort of people are you? E yantoro na mube chatre doing mo campaign no. Some way game changers. Mo yankophobia mo links. Mo attracted to corporate Ghana. I ne ya mo buy ya. Mo the sponsors be on board. Mo this kabeba. Yeah. Yeah, they are running football and I'm a football pager. But money sponsors. Money sponsors. And I'm money sponsor back could be crampo. Money is kabia the ho. Say money that's what it say. GFA Ketu Kreku FA president. One in the coffee that's what it's almost kwa jiska. Ghana buying a mamuskani in Farani League. Na sika say na Ghana ban ediba mamo aye di betetu referees yempe bad officiate ene ye the referees ka clubs no sika say ene betimi dia mo na boa wo mu no mu susu etimi dia ball liga expensive liga competitive liga betimi am enya worthy champions any fantastic players any coaches no ma boa the various national team. Nese mi busa o efe no omo readiness ne say omo me ntina busa efe ne say oni sponsors I didn't go rush to obobo league anasi ye bobobo adena Ketu Kreku na panfo omo piri omo hu so omo bobo league ade se uni sponsors u person bo Ghana Premier League asayache ye pese ye sesano rebranding ye bo Ghana Premier League ma ye hu bibi fufuro wo mu se match fixing ni obiem referees and deciding matches and kojijiska biem ye de referees ka clubs na at least sika ye de mo no mu di bo league no eso ani utimi say just a league no run professional league no was sponsors and our sponsor can see even no mu bi mon kira mo corporate powers say mutimi attract to corporate Ghana. Mu show mo power say mu betimi attract corporate power. Corporate Ghana just say mu betimi akọ more links age sponsors abaka tekweku mu kire say we have president or links o do ho agija u betimi abo awura ha corporate Ghana akọjeje sponsors aba. Mu ni bi mo pere say mo bobo Ghana league for what? And then I'm person on fire. And no league no mo baba no mo niska mo ni sponsors na mo ba gina mo so aka cho mo say wo mo corporate sponsors o show and jana mo jai see into abama wo mo na wo betime change situation no o mo change situation no and no say mo keep you mo on their toes mo fire mo professional catch mo say o mo corporate sponsors si camera for from Mission League, me from running league, no, you perceive rebranding Ghana League, and you can see a company league Biara, league Basa, league Tutobidi, and you know, been also about 03022111701, 03022111702, 03022111703, 03022111704. More fire, Kuta human mommy, Magana ni bia 3 seconds, professional. Mo bia tie no ho o tie no wa yiri fira wo ma ne so hwa wo ma ne so ye ma me pa me pese Ghana fo dodo na obia timi kire na adwene 3 seconds 03022111701 03022111702 03022111704 Ibrahim Phobia yetio 3 seconds yetio
country man songo no clear na o kanu I said abai lo so e mo miska ka krame e de chance e no principals no e de e ba me league ne e krabetwe
oja Nigeria yanku yanim Nigeria
bo fa the country man zongo
e finish sponsors way
zongo ya se ka no pressure da for that for bro we dey na se ka je greku o ba je ne to support ta we ndi na so ba ka ta ba no so ma ki ka fa ye Ghana football na o ka so ti ade ni ku ke na no so no onya so e di me ke abagba market ya every guy on the man ya on ya be abo and the person that you the mama fara no de Ghana league ya ko to make ka ba na nani tia mama mo ka bia
ojegu yeti o mo fire finish sponsors we o mo di league mo fire
o chulu ku ni ka se bra atomic
kwa se so
no correct football na say se ne wo ka no da di bia so say ya se ni sika di na ye mari yi into so far that na say ni e te ya ban di sika
na finish sponsors we
now about this question more. Now once we give you or want them kind no more than actually the idea I did not say that I'm going going on with that.
Oja Obano the campaign promises and job be change situation we attracted to corporate Ghana. So they should show us sponsors. Bonfire. Also much show sponsors today. And Sunday they are running Ghana League, you know. Na be to me a conkai. More fire. 03022111701 03022111702 03022111704 bonfire ebse mahoma na tochima kakra mahoma no sa tochima meboa mahoma na tochima kakra ti misro wa ofre wo de kutam why more fire 03022111701 03022111702 mama try hwesa ahoma no be kofi wa ahoma so yeti o Kofi, o yeti o kasa Kofi. Yi Kofi fira o manu so na ke o du kasa mami. Ke adu yeti o kasa. Kwa asem ne so mami.
O jani be se ke. Afi ya ba le ke kan le mi bread ya do we no mo mi se.
Problem.
That you need to respond. About now, the Mutima and the Ghana league in the Petayakuna. Master before the Simon, you know, said before that you see no at the Pediano. Oh, sweating. He must get the selling all Oscar by a Baman, I by more money.
Oja, Mammy commenting phobia, yetio, phobia, bra phobia, yetio, more fire.
So, after man, I'll be a
sponsors anyway.
That's two about it. Of course, my city, so as my city, a corporate, or money. Of course, my city, so as my city, or less. Or pass for that with the Kusu.
More fire.
I find me and I saw no more. I got no more for that because yet you will leave without for that. So I can say, send there, yeah, I am say by. Yes, me a believe without for that. You are probably a time about leave without for that. You are not back to that.
Oja, Ishak, for you, Ishak, for you, Ishak. More fire.
So, I buy big mama with kind there. No, I can answer. Clubs are more Ghana ha. The club that is here, you go for the my entire Ghana house. Because clubs need the above and your crowd on the body. I want to crowd on the body to dress. Because the way a club knows what it is, a Facebook account go on the website, who you share, one cat around two brand.
Okay, Mate, eti say no. GFA Ketokoku, FA President, sponsors were Sikaben and Mudibo Ghana League. Hey, the hottest sports show, most popular television sports show, the whole Ghana. You understand? We first show we now feel we are singing at Afrochala Festival 2019. Basso quick one, mommy. Any pay for Casa Gladys. Redo channel coordinator Joy Prime. Menene Bekasa Edward Ampao. Afrochala rep. Hasi Edward. No matter to say. Ujane Shewa.
Pacho.
Ujano Shewa. Obeba.
Pacho.
Ubeka say Obeba. Ujane Shewa.
Obeba.
Yeah.
Obeba.
If fire burn you,
you will come.
That's all.
Okay.
More fire. Thank you very much. Glad. Baby
hey, baby boy. Boko.
Fantastic. All right. Gladys Radio channel coordinator, the Joy Prime on so Afrochala. Bibi abitimi de akonkan festival we are Basso 2019. Okay. All right. Mami Musa, DNA Afrochala.
Afrochala a celebration of African culture.
Okay.
That's the festival. We are just using it to celebrate African culture. That's music, fashion, food, entertainment, everything that's African.
Okay. First time na Basso.
Pacho, yes, started 2017. Third time near.
This is the third time.
Yes, please.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. And when and where happening this year? The end of Basso live.
This year was Elwak Sports Stadium, 28th December.
28th December.
Yes, 12 p.m.
Oh, and what should we expect at the end of the course?
Okay, the thing is, Afrochala knows that it's about the experience. You see, there'll be live performances, there'll be DJs playing music. There's also the art installations, you know, African art installations, not just Ghana, but different African countries. There were art installations in Kofobe, who bit to me, take pictures with, you know, there's also like Owari, human-sized Owari, Ludu, near there, people can, you know, play with.
Okay.
On the
all right. Open and answer ticket, also when you ticket.
Pacho tickets were.
Okay. Say the city.
It tickets 100 cities. It's 100 cities. Pacho I.
Just to me 100 cities a ticket.
Yes.
That's what to me Abba.
Elwak Sports Stadium.
The bay
28th December.
Yeah, better or.
Yeah, be GNE.
Yeah, GNE. Edini de
Afrochala.
Okay, all right, glad. Baby girl, so again also this also
okay, Joy Prime and I'm more to say I want the entire Afrochala echi.
Okay.
Send your work and no ya bet na fire for fire so yes I go keke bi na ye be keke but nia ebeko so e wo Elwak 28 December no akudie bebre sporting activities bebre sa ludi life size human size ludi ya working and no dice no e da hono ma nia eto no da hono ma ye kakra te se wakasa wo gina wo ni nti chesa wo to no krampo no eno kwa ya hom kafofo bi a obenya wom na eno so danchen ya lud na kasa kwa na da hono kwa ye nante so
okay
ene ye de kan 6 million no de kan akwa kodu so ye wo activities bebre wo hono ma that day no and e be ya hom kampana Joy Prime
Joy Prime
ye tai edwumade e chi se de be ya wiase nyira fa ne nyira be hu se Ghana oba Ghana enye edin keke Ghana ne mum nyama bebre so wa had me say Joy Prime so hwe track record that you made in Ghana fair yet bibia wa Ghana
Ebeba Joy Prime so
ye de ho afa mom Joy Prime Hits FM and Joy FM ye de ho afa to experience it is ya kasa kwa ne age eguye na so ayeton
okay
enti wo ko ba bia wunya tekege so waba multimedia Joy FM phone desk and as a multi TV phone desk
okay
na ne campo de say ye ton for 100 cedis
yes
now eno so mponu say o san kra akwala bia on di mfie nsia ye be san amana kom free ye ton tekete masa akwala no enti no we no wo panyi na o kita akwala odi o ye below 6 years no o to teketa ye de akwala ne de cho free fa ne rem
okay
enti so kra akwala 9 kra mpona so BND 6 years there obi a rem free and Christmas we men touch the bia for bia ma ho to Afrochala ticket 100 cedis pay What a mount who are brilliant will be deep among some, bring away the way dear
Afrochella ticket. Also, but all multimedia. Joy, I have front desk of Joy FM, and I say Adum TV live. And they say what to me and the family. No, we know 28th December. To also on the family. No. Let me call it a Coachella stars be around.
It was last year, say, what is Naomi Campbell, Naomi Campbell by Ghana, and went no buy.
Okay.
Boris Kujo, and went no buy. Omoba pa, de buy your winner, or matter to tickets to the crashes. I mean, coming to tickets over 12,000 and go for NATO. I'll win from on the neck.
Oh,
Ghana, the other crowd, they are faint, I shall see it.
Then I would be so much and Saniaco.
A seminar, Gladys, by 28 December. Yeah, yen share or Elwak, you know, to have fun, experience the good vibes, and just have a good time.
Okay, fantastic. I mean, no, why
that's every day. If
you my baby girls, they enjoy.
So bad.
We are Afrochella dinner, we are a Jana Shua.
All right, so Afrochella Festival 2019 live for Elwak. Sports Stadium. It also to me a grabo ticket live front desk of Joy 99.7 FM and as a front desk of Adum TV. Next 28th December with the Afrochella Festival. You fireman, I'm going to be there. So we don't bomb special.
Fireman.
Oh, fantastic. Okay, that's the trap.
Almost as soon as it's more. I want to mommy, but that's your baby.
But if you tell me, you're surprised. Thank you very much, Gladys. Thank you very much. Okay.
I checked the PR the baby, Mr. 100 cities, Afrochella tickets, young conches. Okay. Baby brought free tickets and so come watch our
Afrochella ticket, 100 cities.
Yes, you are following our social media also at Afrochella, AFROCHELLA. Afrochella, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Yeah, also
more number be so abo.
Yes, also our website.
Okay.
www.afrochella.com.
Okay.
And the internet is one more grow.
Fantastic.
Now, they say a lineup and conform better and to 4 hours be share with fireman. Friday at the
myself
Friday at the list in the 12 points. Now, some will come we dear no more or when you say.
Okay, all right, thank you very much. Fire for fire now. It's time for fire partners. So, Mr. Babade. Preparatory, ama bibiaye oja shatawa. More fire, no time for any imbecility. More fire. Ujani showa bed over bar. MyBet.Africa, MyBet.Africa. Softline bundle, yes, banning internet bundler, softline bundle. As you see also, ultimate eto. Intri Herbal Clinic. Nessa uko Adensu Road. Ewo in Sawam and Abu in 3 Herbal Clinic. No Aquaquaji, a year Wayarisa, more fire. Unirob Polar Ice Gel for pain relief. Banese, Hunabi Oyadia, Unama Kubua for pain relief. A Unirob Polar Ice Gel. More fire. Betway for the love of the game. Betway for the love of the game. Betway for the love of the game. More fire. Now, Medofo Classic Boutique, our Kuntunsi satellite, Medofo Classic Boutique, more fire, Pabua, Antari, Yato Medofo Classic Boutique, skinny jeans are skinny, more fire, no time for any imbecility, way a fire for fire, Yenyan coupon, so more fire. Alaji Ujana Shewa. Fantastic, all right. And that's Ujana Chewa.
So go back.
Any much time. It or say you go straight up to fire. I sponsors way. If we change now mobile league, Sika or Modibobo away. Now, like the other time to see him last week on the Kumasi at
very terrible.
Okonya a accident, but yeah, the trading plan party said BBA and 20 of you. You go straight up. There's sponsors way out every one person bully.
Well, Songo, sad way they are film. What I say, yeah, cause sponsors when you see be a fire or man, I be beside you, I penny, nti I say almost tea because before I move back na you nsam bibira am kan
e be say first year di aba mo musika na second year there
na be man ko fa obi ejuma
to for you be say they are game changers omo attracted to a corporate
songo me dey ye shell league na say na ya nya sponsors am disappointed pa
yan shasi answer
before ye shell league na say na ya nya be part say before ye be shell league na say na say ye nya sponsors be part say ye shell league na say na sponsors ni wa in fact me do omu hu ya pa because of nsama omo be kachire ye various platforms are omo ba so omo kachire say omo de omo ye game changers omo ye say because who kai say nsem bebre ko so ye nyina ji tum say ampasa ma ba de amonya ade foforo na ye nyina hu de na mo betima ye so ko mfiti asemponi o mfiti asemponi
keep them on their toes to work
bibia no o pese wo ya o ka say fire for any sponsors and get ya
bon fire aye
ye ni sponsors and get ya hwe sponsors na bruce wo bakura na wo bre wo sell line o ja say because ye tutu ye no maye
yes
nti tu no maye tutu no maye sponsors na beba
more azumi positions no na munim say na da
because unim na wo ye unim na wo unim say obetima ye ye nyina ibisa wo kan we nye obi na cash di share wa no ye be share league as unim na obetima ye bisa wo nti so mo metna
ye be share elections na say
o kire ni obetima ye o manifesto obi bia e wom we game change no ma o just say people's administration ye dey lamba so
abai take you over
me taxpayer na enfam be e be twa wo club o just say me taxi ni na be twa wo club
no ma kwa abai
obi ala pe football
abai fa mistake na o
obi ala pe football
yeah but
obi ala pe football me bi so
fire
enyo obi ala pe football ntimi nkofo obi sika enko ka tell for football foni mo am pe mo sponsors mra o ta say na ye hu se dia na mo betima because say no reforms na ba wie ye mpe kasa bia biom mo nhihye no ma na nipa ntimi hu se wo mu a o ma be di o betima ye duma ye free ko stadium na mo ntimi retrieve mo ka ma bo ni sponsors no so ntimi hu se mileage bi bia ekoso se utimi za advert ben ekoso ya ba multimedia say ye be starting league nti advert ni o ma ye sa duma no sponsors ni obi ni wo ya na tete ayeka
I tell money Ernest, o musika we o mudibo Ghana Premier League.
Obi a shomo se mfa prepare nko football.
You have good branding o.
Of course.
You perceive football change.
So go omo election campaign. You could no me sika na fly around. Copy people say no so we to kwan. E bu so mo sign contract. E bu say utuma me asase we be sponsor me. E chemo to pass so no mo ye. I think I two committees. To pass no bia na djuma. So go be say league no around match or cry any problem. Then I say
almost December.
So go
change time no be 3 times.
So go obi someone na. After
you change times a date you know between the time. Date no be 3 times.
First about 28.
Be 3 times.
So go by is that obo prom ho. Muntu boase. You say football asa ya che. Ya back if you be
able to be asa ya che.
Aso mo nim.
Omo nim tumo.
Aso mo nim to say.
No ya football no normalization wo mo say nya ne ntam nya election ene ya nya ntam
omo nim say football say omo no nim omo nim say football say
mo say nya elections ya elections e de amamo a
ya che boss since abai mistake na otese ko fara say o mo sama Ghana for enye ko bokosa o abai ene juma na sa team show mo league ni e local e brand e your brand FNI brand o ba so mu ye to no man ye no company who say are not attractive. About board. As some now say omo collection na oh as be so to am here as so about board. We suma be here no track record we say bitimi benterisa brand the way. Of course so pass any here.
Alaji.
Aban there yes so aban be sponsor league bia.
Ana bo mo ko aban wa Alaji.
So maybe aban won na mo ko. On say efini aban there. Do nsawonso bi oho.
Yes, of course.
But the man nsawonso no ba gina ye national teams.
Okay.
E duru ho dia. Me ba e duru ho dia. Me bisa aban Pescabra e national team na mfanye. But mumu class na mo ba bebo e business am ye. O ja say e business na mo ye. Nti mo am nko pay mo sponsors.
So multimedia attracted to compete.
Multimedia for Ghana for.
Yes.
And no man pay mo sponsors yo majuma. Omo ko aban won say mamiska.
More fire.
Enti ye company, a corporate entity. Omo ko pay musika ni omo.
No mo nya attracted to corporate Ghana na.
Ni say no. We bisa F4 na.
Game changer na.
F4 na ya elect omo no.
Aye.
Previous administration one him.
Okay.
Woman near Cosso, woman, Yari, Bia Cosso. Now, yes, Bia, you go for me, Crobisu, Bio.
Musika way, GF, Kato Kokuni.